How's it going, everybody? This is 2015-16 Upper Deck Black Diamond Hockey, one box break number 17. Good luck, everyone involved. Let's do this thing. Whoops, too big. Gotta roll the dice first. 8 times. 8 times on the random. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bruce up top and Bill at the bottom. Size 13 that-ish. And 8 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Islanders up top and Flyers at the bottom. And now, really quickly, I'm going to name off your teams and then we'll randomize which box we're doing. So, Bruce has the Islanders. Abbott has the Bruins. Jared has the Capitals and Ducks. Bruce has the Jets. Jared's got the Blackhawks and Lightning. Bill's got the Flames. Bruce has the Red Wings. Jared's got the Wild. Kip has the Maple Leafs. Summer has the Stars. Jeff has the Sabres. Kip has the Canucks. Jared has the Canadiens. Bill's got the Oilers. Nice hit, Bill. Bruce has the Kings. Jeff's got the Blue Jackets. Summer's got the Avalanche. Jared's got the Hurricanes. Bill's got the Sharks. Jared's got the Penguins and the Senators. Kip's got the Blues. Bill's got the Predators. Lucas has the Coyotes. Bruce has the Rangers. Jared's got the Panthers and Devils. And Bill's got the Flyers. Go Flyers. All right. Let me copy and paste that. We'll be right back if there's any trades. And, yeah. Alright, there was a trade. Jared now has the Coyotes, and Lucas now has the Capitals. So, good luck, guys. We got to roll the dice, see which box we're doing. We're just going to roll 1 dice. If it's a 2 or a 6, we'll re-roll. 5, box 5. Good luck. This one's really heavy. Just saying. Feels heavier than the others. Maybe I'm crazy. I might be crazy. That might be it. Might be hallucinating. And another book. All right. We got numbered 39 of 99, Black Diamond, Claude Giroux. That's Bill with the Flyers. Man, another one of these. Crazy stuff popping out. Rookie team logo, Jack Eichel. Man, that is a nice patch. Jack Eichel, Buffalo Sabres. Rookie team logo jumbo. Going out to the Sabres and Jeff. Yeah, nice hit. Jack Eichel. Very nice. That's his second Eichel. Jason, you might like this one, Jason. We got a silver ink autograph, Tyler Toffoli.
Wow.
Black Diamond signature placards. He's wearing his Kings shirt.
Huh?
Who's got the Kings? Bruce has the Kings.
It's a weak auto, though. But I know. But Tyler Toffoli sounds pretty good. Yeah.
Tyler Toffoli's beast.
The Kings.
In the NHL. Ooh, this is nice, too.
It's the same booklet, though.
This guy sells well. For the Calgary Flames, 12 out of 299. Sam Bennett, 2-color dual patch. Booklet relics. Going out to the Calgary Flames and Bill. Nice hit, Bill. Black Diamond rookie Sam Bennett. And the last one is Rookie Gems, 244 out of 399, Emilie Poirier. For the Flames again. And Bill. Alright, the exquisite bonus pack. Good luck. It is Zdeno Chara, 127 out of 149. Is that 7-foot guy, right? Boston Bruins. That's going out to John. 127 out of 149. Zdeno Chara. He's 6'9". I mean, seriously? 6'9", 255. I would not want to mess with him. Alright, that was a one-box break, a Black Diamond Hockey number 17. Thanks, everybody. We got 3 boxes left to do. And then after that, we'll give away that big winch pool. So thanks, everybody.